Hello friends, today we are working on publish geometry on Creo. So let's start with the publish geometry feature. First we are taking a new part here, giving a name. I'm just giving the part name. The name is part 1. Now I'm creating a circle here. Give the value. Make an extrude feature. The value I'm giving here is 30. Now click exit. Now you can see there the cylinder has been created. Now I'm going to give one fillet here. The size I'm giving here is around 10 millimeters. The object has been defined. Now I'm just doing one thing. I'm just going to create one shell here. Give the upper surface for removal. Give the value, the thickness value of the object. Now create one base feature. I'm just going to create some ventilations here. So I'm just going to create one circle here at the bottom of the surface. Give the value. The value I'm giving here is around 5 millimeter. And now we can give the distance also. The 30 is the value, which is the distance value of this. Now I'm going to create extrude cut feature, reversify, pocket, up to last. Now we can see there the feature we have is extrude cut, which is a whole feature basically. Now I'm going to create one pattern here. Get the axis pattern, providing some axis and giving the instances. And the instances I'm giving here is around 12 instances. And the distance I'm giving here is around 30 between each item. So this is the feature I have created. Now I'm going to get the feature which is called publish geometry. You can see there the command you can find in model intent. Either you can go for view and you can see the command in tools, the command you can find which is publish geometry. So just click on this. Here surface set is required. I'm just going to create select this surface by clicking control, give another one, and you can see whole entity has been selected. Just go to OK the command, and now the feature we have got is publish geometry. Save the feature, and the part I'm saving in somewhere where the surface manage session. I'm giving the select working directory, and now Creo files which I have already created. It is a folder in working directory, and now I'm saving the file here, part_1. Click exit. Now again I'm going to start new file, part. I'm going to call that publish geometry. So go for copy geometry, call that part_1, open. Go for coordinate system. This is the easiest way to locate the part. So I'm just going to create external part. This is a coordinate system of external part. Now local model coordinate system, I'm picking this and click OK. And if you click OK, done. So this is a publish geometry feature, and click update. So now that internal surface geometry we have called here, and we can utilize this surface as per our need. That's all for today. Thank you.